I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I make my bed after I wake up. I make my bed after I wake up. I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I boil water for my morning tea. I boil water for my morning tea. I make toast and eggs for breakfast. I make toast and eggs for breakfast. I eat breakfast at the kitchen table. I eat breakfast at the kitchen table. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating. I sweep the floor in the living room. I sweep the floor in the living room. I water my plants every morning. I water my plants every morning. I sit on the sofa and read a book. I sit on the sofa and read a book. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room. I clean the table after lunch. I clean the table after lunch. I do the laundry on weekends. I do the laundry on weekends. I hang my clothes outside to dry. I hang my clothes outside to dry. I vacuum the carpet in my room. I vacuum the carpet in my room. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I set the table before we eat. I set the table before we eat. I wash my hands before every meal. I wash my hands before every meal. I take out the trash every evening. I take out the trash every evening. I go to bed early every night. I go to bed early every night.